What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I bought some castor oil today. It's supposed to keep your hair growing and strong so I don't bald when I'm 40. Gonna go over Gala games. We're sitting at 0.04491. All our trades this week we've taken on Gala have been profitable. We just took a nice long off the bounce. Took some shorts on the way down and they've all hit. Bang, 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 bang. You can gain free access to my signals at the end of the video. I'm trading Gala as well as Forex. So, yeah, sitting a market cap of 1.36 billion. 24-hour volume way down, 80 million. Boring times, but we are seeing a little bit of a bounce. So I would like to see a higher high for more confirmation. If we are going to see that continuation to the upside, otherwise, what you can do. That's your A wave down, you push up in a B, and then you come down in a wave C. Anything can happen. As long as you're catching trades along the way, there's room for your analysis to be wrong. You're not always going to be right. So what I would want to see is one more wave up to confirm a bullish move, pull back, and see continuation. If we roll over from here, I do think it's more likely we come down and create a lower low, potentially to 0.04087, the 78.6 if we fail to create one more higher high. For our friend Gala, weekly chart, same thing, holding the weekly bullish cross, testing, retesting that support, getting ready for the next leg up, in my opinion. Anything can happen, so just take it with a grain of salt. And that's what I'm looking at for Gala games. If you want completely free access to my signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. Make your first deposit, send me email. I'll give you completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. I'm also trading Forex, crushing it all week, trading gold. Yeah, so you can have free access. If you don't want to sign up to BITUNIX, you can sign up through the Patreon link. All links down below. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.